Hey guys, how you doing? So as you can see from the title today, um, it's kind of an unboxing. I've already had to cut the package open, but I don't think there's any others on YouTube just yet, showing basically what you get when you open the box. When you buy a collector's edition Scream Robes Replica Robe. So yeah, basically I'll give you a bit of background. I've been supporting Scream Robes, who's a Scream replica robe maker, since the beginning. And I've purchased several robes from different companies now. And by far, Scream Robes has always been the most superior and the one that the guy I've stuck with for how great his customer service is and how great he actually makes the robes and his attention to detail. Everything's second to none with the other robe makers. So it's finally come to a point now where he's actually managed to get hold of a screen-used Scream 2 hero robe from the movie and being able to take his time and get samples and get the measurements and basically with it in his possession create the most perfect Scream 2 replica robe on the market for sale and sell it to us, the fans. If you're lucky enough to get one, if you've purchased a robe from him before, you are then basically legible to buy the one of these ones. So I can't thank him enough. Like I say, I've supported him from the beginning, and we're close friends. And he's been able to hook me up with a collector's Scream 2 edition robe. So basically, when I opened the package, you've got this tote bag with some drawstrings, and the robe is inside of this. And he includes a certificate, basically because there's going to be people saying they've got the collector's edition robe, and it may not be. So he's actually put the serial number, that's my one there, inside of the robe. So there's proof inside of the robe as well. So if you were to lose this, he's got it logged that you have a collector's edition robe. Not that you'd ever want to sell one of these because it is a grail piece, in my opinion. Having a replica as close to the real thing as you can get. He's took his time with the fabrics. Like I say, he's different fabric swatches, and been able to get the closest glitter and look and feel and weight to the real thing. So yeah, so the robe comes in this bag. This is included. It's a collector's edition certificate with your name on it, and inside of the robe, that number is, like I say, it's sewn in. So yeah, I'll show you the robe, and then hopefully I'll get some footage of me wearing it, which I can also put on this video, hopefully. Yeah, so like I say, I've owned several robes. I've got a 96 robe, a Scream 3 robe, and a Public Enemy Studios Scream 2 robe. And this fabric is different from all the others. I haven't actually ever seen a hero robe in the flesh, but to know that I've got the closest thing to it is amazing. And the glitter does look different to the other robes. So yeah, so let's get into it. So this is the hood, and hopefully the camera will pick it up. You've got that lovely glitter effect, and it's like the sparkles a bit closer together. It's very light, very thin. The robe does have the usual good quality of weight to it, and then you've got the Velcro in there to attach your hood still, the foam in the hood still as well. The drawstrings, which I'm going to assume is the same sort of drawstrings even as the hero one, I'm guessing. It's got the Velcro closure down the middle, and yeah, so let's take it out of the box. You can sort of see the weight, and you got the square cuts at the bottom. And yeah, it's a really lovely material. I can't wait to see how it looks with a mask on and wearing it. But yeah, if you want one of these, just contact Screen Robes. Like I say, you do have to be eligible if you've bought a robe from him before. And if you have, you can get that sorted. There is a bit more of a premium price on it compared to a normal robe, but that's because you're obviously getting something that's as close to the real deal as there is on the market. So it's going to be very in demand. Any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments and I'll try and answer what I can, like I usually do. And yeah, I'll pause this now and see if I can get a screen worn video. Cheers.
Can I lose that box? Can I lose that box?